Good morning, everybody. It's time for another Toddler Tales story. Today, we're going to be doing a new book, new to the library, called The Squishy Squashy Pumpkin by Georgina Wren. See, he squishes. 5 little pumpkins all in a row, in the little patch where the pumpkins grow. One little pumpkin rolled off to the door, into the barn. So then there were 4 little pumpkins growing cheek to cheek, playing a game of hide and go seek. One little pumpkin hides up in a tree, then falls asleep. So then there were 3 little pumpkins sitting in the rain, waiting for the sun to come back out again. One little pumpkin sees a patch of blue and hops into the sunshine. So then there were 2 little pumpkins playing near the stream. One likes adventures, the other likes to dream. One little pumpkin sees children having fun and bounces off to join them. So then there was 1 little pumpkin as the busy day ends. What a happy day he's had with his pumpkin friends. He's getting very sleepy and ready for his bed. Good night, little pumpkin. Rest your sleepy head. The end. I hope you've enjoyed today's story, and be sure to check out the links listed in the post below for more fun activities you can do with your preschooler at home. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to come by and get your bags. See you next week.